Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine waking up on a chilly morning, the kitchen smelling faintly of warmth and comfort. That feeling, the promise of a satisfying start, is exactly what a bowl of freshly cooked porridge with honey and berries delivers. This isn't just a simple breakfast though, it's a quick ticket to feeling deeply nourished. The creamy warmth of the oats meets the natural, gentle sweetness of honey. Then you bite into the bright, refreshing pop of fresh berries. This combination works miracles on your mood and your body. It has been a staple breakfast for centuries for good reason. It's incredibly easy to make, remarkably inexpensive, and packs a heavy punch of essential nutrients. We're going to explore what makes this breakfast a true daily winner. Get ready to discover the fantastic health benefits and learn how simple it is to craft your perfect bowl. Why porridge with honey and berries is a breakfast powerhouse. A breakfast is only as good as the fuel it gives you. This simple trio works together to supply lasting energy and essential vitamins, supporting everything from your digestion to your immune system. Moving beyond plain oats and dull flavor, this synergy creates a powerful start to any busy day. Understanding the ingredients helps you appreciate the profound goodness you pour into your bowl each morning. The mighty power of oatmeal, fiber to keep you full. Oats carry a well-deserved reputation as a heart-healthy food. Their secret lies mostly in a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. When you eat oats, this fiber slows down your digestion. That slower process means a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream. This effect helps stabilize energy levels, preventing the dreaded mid-morning energy crash. Beta-glucan also excels at supporting cardiovascular health. It actively helps reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, by binding with cholesterol in the digestive tract. A daily bowl of oatmeal contributes significantly to your overall fiber intake. That lasting fullness keeps those hunger pangs away, making it easier to skip unnecessary snacks before lunch. Natural energy, sweetness and healing benefits of honey. Many people rely on refined sugar or corn syrup to sweeten their breakfast. Pure honey offers a much better alternative. It provides immediate, clean energy thanks to its natural sugar content, fructose and glucose. Unlike cane sugar, honey often contains trace minerals and vitamins, making it slightly more nutrient-dense. Beyond energy, honey has long been recognized for its medicinal qualities. It possesses natural antioxidant and antibacterial properties. These properties help support your body's health, especially during cold and flu season. If you choose local, raw honey, many people find it helps desensitize them to local pollen, often easing seasonal allergy symptoms over time. Using just a spoonful adds ample flavor and a nutritional bump without heavy processing. Colorful tiny superstars, the vitamins in fresh berries. Berries are nature's candy, but they also function as tiny shields for your body. The intense colors of fruits like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries signal high levels of antioxidants. What exactly are antioxidants? They are compounds that fight unstable molecules, or free radicals, in your body. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to aging or illness. Berries are famously rich in essential nutrients, especially vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for immune function, skin health, and tissue repair. We encourage using a mix of colors in your bowl, giving your body the benefit of different antioxidant profiles. A handful of dark blueberries alongside tart raspberries ensures maximum benefit and beautiful presentation. Easy steps, your simple guide to making the perfect bowl of porridge. Making excellent porridge takes very little skill or time. The goal is always a creamy, comforting base ready for those vibrant toppings. Mastering the few basic steps guarantees success, whether you have 20 minutes or 2 minutes to spare. Choosing your oats, getting the right texture. The final texture of your porridge depends heavily on the type of oat you select. You have 3 main choices, and they all have different cooking times. Steel-cut oats. These are the least processed, resembling chopped rice grains. They yield a chewy texture but take the longest time to cook, about 20 to 30 minutes. Rolled, or old-fashioned, oats. These are steamed and pressed flat. Rolled oats offer the ideal balance for this recipe: creamy texture, quick cooking time of about 5 to 7 minutes. They hold their shape better than instant oats. Quick oats, or instant oats. These are pre-cooked, dried, and thinly rolled. They cook almost instantly but can become quite mushy quickly. They work well in a pinch but lack body. For the creamiest final product, we suggest using rolled oats. A wholesome breakfast that fuels your day and satisfies your soul. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.